Hi, today we will learn the phrasal verb be stuck with somebody. It means you have to stay with or deal with someone, often when you don't want to. For example, I am stuck with my noisy neighbor. You use it when you feel trapped or forced. Remember, it is inseparable. You cannot say stuck him with. It's usually used in forms like stuck, was stuck, or have been stuck. You can say, she was stuck with her little brother during the trip, or we got stuck with a difficult client. Be careful not to say I stuck with him. The correct form is, I was stuck with him. This phrase is mostly informal and used when talking about annoying or difficult people. Some similar phrases are be trapped with someone or be saddled with someone. Try to use be stuck with somebody when you want to express frustration or inconvenience. Now, practice by making your own sentences. For example, I am stuck with my noisy roommate this week. Great! Keep practicing and you will remember this phrase easily. Thanks for watching and see you next time.